Well, it's very distressing to see animals that are struggling, and it wasn't their fault the oil got spilled. It's really heartbreaking to see animals completely covered in oil.
During oil spills, if we don't get to birds fairly quickly, if they're heavily oiled, especially birds that have to be in the water to be able to survive, they can very easily die.
This product it's extremely thick, very goopy. It's almost like a tar, so it's hard to come off the bird's feathers. For the bird to come out on the other side alive, it is absolutely essential to get all of the petroleum product off of the feathers, every single last bit.
So our priority during response is proactive capture and care. Collecting animals as quickly as possible, getting them initial first aid, getting them warm, getting some fluids into them, and getting them to our facilities. We basically have a system in place that is ready to hit the road should a spill like this occur anywhere in the state. This spill, right now it's being estimated that the cleanup is going to take 3 weeks or so. We fully expect to be here on scene trying to recover animals that entire time.
UC Davis is uniquely qualified for this type of response. We have excellent veterinarians that have dealt with oil spills in other parts of the United States and of the world. We have a great group of people within UC Davis, but because we are a network organization with people up and down the state of California, we have just a real unique ability to bring so much expertise into responding to an event of this nature.
You're fine. What a good bird.